Alright, so we're going to change out our cabin air filter. I'll put links to everything in the description. Today I'm using a Bosch cabin air filter. So I've already cleaned out the glove compartment. So what you do, your cabin air filter is going to be behind this glove compartment. So this is real easy on this car. You just gently press in on both sides and drop that down like that. And then down here you're going to have your this is where your cabin air filter goes. So you've got a little indentation there on that side and this side, so you would just push those in and out it comes. So inside of this tray is your filter. Now notice this right here says airflow down. It's got a down arrow, so that's important when we look at our new air filter. This really looks pretty good. It's been 15,000 miles. This is a very clean looking air filter. You can see though plenty of stuff in there, but still, as far as air filters go, this is extremely clean. There's a leaf, so we're gonna set that aside. And then the reason I pointed out that airflow down is because when you look at your new filter, no matter what brand it is, it's going to have a little arrow on it for airflow. So okay, so here's our new one, and so see right there, airflow down. So that lets us know that it goes in this direction. So we're just gonna put this one in there. Okay, so we just want it resting in there nice, and then we just line it up back there. Slide it right back in and you're going to hear it click. Okay, so we got that click sound. That's back in there. Now we're going to take our glove compartment and we're going to squeeze in on these sides, and then it's in. So this job is done. You just saved yourself at least $40 in about 2 minutes.